Hello guys, today we will discuss about acute pancreatitis. Acute is the sudden and pancreatitis is the inflammation and hemorrhaging of the pancreas. To understand the acute pancreatitis, we should also know a term that is autodigestion, the destruction of the own enzymes of the pancreas. The prognosis is the acute pancreatitis can start with a mild form but can also lead to the severe form. The anatomy of pancreas is, it is a long skinny gland which has a head, body and a tail. The location is, it is present in the upper abdomen, that is the epigastric region, or behind the stomach. Function of pancreas. We all know the pancreas has dual function, that is the endocrine and the exocrine function. The endocrine function is alpha and beta cells, they secrete hormones to the bloodstream. The exocrine function is the acinous cells, they secrete digestive enzymes, and these enzymes break down the carbohydrates, lipids and proteins. Along with the digestive function, it also has a protective function. Pancreas protects itself by producing enzymes like zymogens. The additional protection of the pancreas can be done by zymogen granules, which are stored in the vesicles. For digestion, the zymogen, it enters the pancreatic duct and becomes active in the small intestine. The trypsinogen, which is a pancreatic zymogen, converts into trypsin, the active enzyme. But if the trypsinogen activates too early, that is when the time of the trypsin for becoming an active enzyme is not even there or present, even then it becomes, the trypsinogen activates too early, then it can lead to the acute pancreatitis. The reason why does the trypsinogen activates too early are if there is any injury to the acinous cells or if there is impaired secretion to the proenzymes. The causes can be alcohol abuse and gallstones. The mechanism that is caused by the alcohol abuse is the increase in the zymogen secretion from the acinous cells. Then the alcohol abuse, it decreases the fluid and bicarbonate in the ducts, in the pancreatic ducts, due to which the pancreatic juices, they become thick and forms a block in the duct, due to which there is not a good flow of the pancreatic juices. The mechanism behind the gallstone is, the gallstone, they get stuck in the sphincter of Oddi and they blocks the release of the pancreatic juices. In both the cases, due to the bad inflow of the pancreatic juices, there is acute pancreatitis. There are some other causes apart from the alcohol abuse and gallstone, and it can be remembered by a mnemonic, that is I get smashed. From I, it is idiopathic. Get, G is gallstone, E is ethanol abuse, that is alcohol abuse, T is trauma, smashed, S is steroids, M mumps virus, A autoimmune diseases, S is scorpion stings. Yeah, it is a new one and which is very rare. H is hypertriglyceridemia and hypercalcemia. E is endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography, and D is drugs like the ACE inhibitors or protease inhibitors. These were some other causes. Now, the acute pancreatitis, it leads to the destruction of the tissue of the pancreas, due to which there are inflammatory responses by the pancreas, which causes the blood vessel leak and rupture. Then the rupture and leak of the blood vessel leads to the swelling. The lipase destroys the fat that is surrounding the pancreas, which is also known as the peripancreatic fat. The swelling leads to the digestion and bleeding that can liquefy the tissue. Then at last it leads to the liquefaction, hemorrhagic necrosis. The complication. What are the complications of acute pancreatitis? There can be a pancreatic pseudocyst, pancreatic abscess, hemorrhage, DIC, acute respiratory distress syndrome. The symptoms. Symptoms, more often when we see the digestive or the GIT symptoms, that it can only be nausea and vomiting, but there are signs which show particularly about acute pancreatitis is that is Cullen's sign, that is bruising around the belly button. Here in the picture we can see there are bruising or cyanosis around the belly button, and the Gray Turner's sign, that is the bruising around the flank. Both the sides of the flank of the abdomen, they are badly bruised, then that is known as Gray Turner's sign, and both of these signs indicate acute pancreatitis. How can we diagnose? If there is pain in the epigastric region and the pain radiates to the back, In the laboratory test, we can see there is increase in the lipase and amylase. In the CT scan, we can see that inflammation, necrosis or pseudocyst can be there. Ultrasound can show us the gallstones. The treatment, it is mainly as there will be pain, so we have to control the pain. Pain control, hydration is very much required along with the electrolytes production. Then rest, we should give the bowels good amount of rest, due to which we should avoid food, and the nourishment should be only done through the intravenous route. There can be oxygen therapy and providing antibiotics like metronidazole, ciprofloxacin and some others antibiotics too. So these were the treatment, diagnosis, symptoms, complication, mechanism and causes about acute pancreatitis, and I hope it helped you to learn everything about acute pancreatitis. Thank you.